Treasury of Muslim Names. Viewer, in the very first video, you will find plenty of female names are interspersed with notes, some people or an incident in their lives, or hadith they narrated. This is the first volume of names I have compiled. I am working on volume 2. I will soon upload it. Now comes to the names. 1. Abish, meaning lucky, daughter of Saad. She was a queen of Iran. 2. Akifa, meaning dedicated, devoted. 3. Atika, meaning chosen, wife of Hazrat Umar Razi Allah anhu. 4. Afifa, meaning chaste, modest. 5. Asma, daughter of Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Razi Allah anhu. 6. Usma, a narrator of hadith. 7. Baraka, the nursemaid of Hazrat Muhammad, the Holy Prophet. 8. Bara, the aunt of the Holy Prophet, daughter of Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. 9. Faika, daughter of Abdullah, mother of Abdul Wahid bin Jafar bin Sulaiman. 10. Bishara, a narrator of hadith. 11. Baz, a narrator of hadith. 12. Baraka, meaning blessing, the nursemaid of the Holy Prophet. She was the mother of Usman bin Zaid. 13. Fakira, this was the name of a beautiful woman, wife of Murra al-Asadi. 14. Faria, this was the name of a female companion, daughter of Malik bin Sannan and sister of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri. 15. Jumaima, name of a female companion. 16. Kabsha, she was a female companion, daughter of Thabit bin al-Munzar al-Ansari. 17. Kanza, meaning treasure, she was a poetess. 18. Hannah, meaning affection, mother of Saida marrying. 19. Hafsa, this was the name of the wife of the Prophet and daughter of Sayyiduna Umar Razi Allah anhu. 20. Hajra, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim. 21. Khansa, meaning doe. 22. Halima, meaning compassionate, the nurse of the Holy Prophet. 23. Khadija, the first wife of the Prophet. 24. Malia, meaning salty, graceful, brownish color. A noble woman of Basra was so named. 25. Juwairiya, wife of the Prophet, daughter of Al-Harith al-Khazasiyah. 26. Hamna, daughter of Jash al-Asdaya, a narrator of hadith, sister of Sayyada Zainab. 27. Hala, meaning earring or crescent, the mother of Sayyiduna Hamza. 28. Maimuna, the daughter of Al-Harith and wife of the Prophet. 29. Maria, meaning Orax, Adax, the daughter of Shamun al-Qibtiyah, was born maid of the Prophet. 30. Rabia, meaning green foliage, a woman, daughter of Matyad, student of hadith. 31. Nazinda, name of a liberal woman of Baghdad. She founded a college with a religious school. 32. Rehana. She was a noted daughter of Zayd bin Amra. She gave up Jewish religion and embraced Islam and chose to become a wife of the Prophet. 33. Nafisa. Name of the daughter of Minhaj. She arranged the marriage of the Prophet with Saida Khadija. 34. Arwa. Aunt of the Prophet. 35. Ariba. Meaning wise. 36. Aniza. Meaning she-goat. 37. Aida. She was a narrator of hadith. 38. Safiya. She was the daughter of Huway bin Akhtab and wife of the Prophet. 39. Samra. A narrator of hadith, daughter of Qais al-Ansari. 40. Nusayba. She was the daughter of Ka'b. She was a remarkable woman who fought like men in the Battle of Ohad with her husband and 2 sons. 41. Ruzayana. Name of the freed slave of Sufyan and wife of the Prophet. 42. Tamima. Name of a poetess. 43. Safura. She was the daughter of Jethro and wife of Prophet Musa. 44. Nudba. Meaning lament, scar, mark. She was the freed slave of Sayyida Maimuna. She was also a narrator of hadith. 45. Sakina. Meaning calm, quietude. She was an honorable daughter of Sayyiduna Hussein bin Ali bin Abu Talib. 46. Ruqayya. Meaning rise. She was the eldest daughter of the Prophet. 47. Sara. She was a narrator of hadith and daughter of Miqsam al-Thaqafiya. Sarah was also the name of the wife of the Prophet Ibrahim. 48. Sabiha. Meaning morning, radiant. This was the name of Queen of Qurtuba. 49. Saniya. She was a narrator of hadith and was the freed slave of the Prophet Muhammad. 50. Ummah. She was the daughter of Abu al-Az. 51. Umayma. A female companion, daughter of Abdullah bin Bijad. She had narrated 2 hadith. 52. Wajia. Meaning handsome, beautiful, graceful. A narrator of hadith and daughter of Ali bin Yahya al-Ansari. 53. Yumna. Yumna is a Muslim girl name that is originated from Arabic language. Its meaning is good fortune or success. 54. Yasra. Yasra is a direct Quranic name for girls that means ease, comfort, or blessings. It is used twice in the Holy Quran. 55. Zara. Meaning beauty, the planet Venus. She was a pious lady, daughter of Abu Bakr bin Ayyub was so named. 56. Zanab. This was the name of the mother of the believers. Zanab bint Jash, wife of the Prophet. 57. Amina. Secured, safe. This was the name of mother of the Holy Prophet. 58. Arifah. Knowing. Woman who recognizes Allah Almighty. 59. Asiya. She was the wife of Firawan, but she embraced Islam and she had sheltered the infant Hazrat Musa in the royal palace. 60. Aisha. She was the wife of the Holy Prophet. 61. Hameh. Meaning: red. This was the name of Sayyida Aisha. 62. Kuwaiba. A distinguished woman of her time, daughter of Saad al-Islamiyah, she treated the ill and performed surgery on Sa'id bin Muaz, who wounded in a ghazwa. 63. Farwa. This was the name of female companion. 64. Ghaniya. Daughter of Afif bin Amr Abdul Qais, she was very generous and philanthropic woman. 65. Fatima. She was the honorable daughter of the Prophet, wife of Sayyiduna Ali and mother of Sayyiduna Hassan and Hussein.